conDNC is software that bundles all information relevant to the CNC machine operator in a modern user interface. In the overview, you can see all orders scheduled at the resource. The various columns show the material description, the number of free magazines, and the status of the NC program provision. After selecting one or more clampings, the sidebar opens, which can be expanded. Here you can find work instructions, NC programs, and the in-out list. The work instructions stored in the order are listed here. The display of different data types like MP4 and PDFs is supported. In this function, all NC programs available for this clamping are listed. This can be compared with each other to understand the differences between two versions. Furthermore, it is possible to send the NC programs directly to the NC machine. The in-out list shows which tools have to be taken in or out of the machine to produce the selected process. This list can also be exported to a PDF file. Order now! conCircle, we transform business and technology.